In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DuckDuckGo to Chrome. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple and practical way to set the DuckDuckGo as your default search engine inside Google Chrome. This is a quick way to make your browsing more private without changing your entire browser setup, giving you a cleaner and more privacy-focused search results every time you use the address bar. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using a standard browser window so you can access all the necessary settings. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu icon. This is where Chrome stores its main settings and tools. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new tab where you can adjust all Chrome preferences. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of categories. Find and click on the option labeled Search Engine, which controls how Chrome handles searches made from the address bar. In the main settings area, locate the section that says Search Engine Used in the address bar. This is the field that determines which service processes your searches when you type directly into the top bar of Chrome, also known as the Omnibox. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and from the list of available search engines, select DuckDuckGo. Once selected, Chrome will immediately apply the change and set it as your default search provider for all future searches. From this point forward, whenever you type a query into the address bar and press Enter, your results will be powered by DuckDuckGo. This change does not affect your bookmarks, saved data, or browsing history. It only changes the search engine used for web queries. If you ever decide to switch back, you can simply return to the same settings area and choose another search engine from the drop-down list. The process is fully reversible at any time. It is also helpful to keep in mind that browser layouts may vary slightly depending on updates, but the search engine section will always remain in Chrome's settings. If DuckDuckGo does not appear immediately in the list, restarting Chrome or updating the browser usually resolves the issue. And that's it. You have successfully set DuckDuckGo as your default search engine in Chrome, giving you a more private and streamlined browsing experience in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell